There's always something fascinating about Jamaica and something that Jamaica have up its sleeve to surprise us with. Because trust me, this one, our massive surprise, and we have to talk about it.
The Jam Fam family. Jam Fam, come hang with me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hello, Wagwan, big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. Hey, in this one, we're just going to be talking about some stuff that when them happen to you in Jamaica, you just have to just roll with the punches and take the surprise as you go and figure out how to work around it for the future. And one of them is the cold front right now. Like literally, it's just unbelievable how cold the time be right now. Yes, unbelievable. Not expecting it to be like this. I just checked a while ago what the temperature is, and it was saying 16 degrees. And I know it was not feeling like 16 degrees. It feels way colder, because 15 degrees and 16 degrees are stuff what we have in a spring and autumn in the UK. And you're out and about and bubbly jumping around. This felt a lot colder to me than that, because my body was feeling the frost, feeling the freeze. And it's one of those things now that if this keeps happening for longer spells, Jamaica and their housing buildings are going to need to consider and factor in what measures are going to need to be put in place to cater for longer cold months. Because when we think about it, we need to be able to figure out how we're going to overcome this, especially in areas that are traditionally going to be cold or colder, because it is really something to think about and to wonder. So I'm just going to share some of those with you. And of course, there is always going to be something that catches you and you think, oh, why does this happen and why is it happening in Jamaica? I was woken up this morning by some heavy winds blowing around from early in the morning. And so managed to do the laundry and put it out, because we are having the heavy winds but no rain. Although I think up in Christiana they are having, I see one gust come up here right now as me I talk. Look on them leaf, they're buzzing around in the wind. Yeah, there is a gust. You can see how the clothes them wrap up themselves as the wind keep coming in and out. And with it is, you can see how outside look bleak and overcast. So you're hardly seeing any strong amount of sun rays coming through the clouds. And as the weather forecast is saying that we're going to be going into some cold spells moving ahead in the week. And so here we are facing up to it. I'm telling you, the time cold equals a tail. Notice me have on my thick UK robe because the time cold. So literally, I just put it back on because I need my body to warm up. Even my hand them cold. I hope this not gonna sit for for long, because as we're in a new month, we need some warmth. We start up. Because from the other day coming through, we've had little spells of some sunshine and some warmth, but for the majority of it, it's been cold evenings, cold nights, cold early mornings. And now again, another cold front has just rolled in on the island. And trust me, it not just come with cold conditions, but it also comes with heavy winds that we're having to endure. So hopefully it will clear up soon. And to those Jamfam tribe in North America who are facing cold spells right now in Canada and the USA, we hope so to get some sunshine soon. See a little bit break through the clouds coming down. Hey, thank you, yeah, because we need it. And so I'm praying that you will get some warmth soon, some sunshine soon, so that you can warm up not just your body but your spirits. And for those people in the UK, I heard that you had a tropical storm recently that brought in some flooding and other things like that onto the country, on top of the cold that you've been enduring, one of your coldest winters so far. So, again, we're just hoping that the season will turn swiftly so that you can experience some physical warmth soon. So, until then, I'm going to take it easy. I remember, we're not alone. We here in the Caribbean are experiencing a bit of chill too. Yeah. So, that's how it goes sometime. Eleona, you know the song You Raise Me Up so I Can Stand on Mountains? Can you sing it for me? Okay. Come then, go and sing it.
You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I can be.
That was a good first take of it. So it sounds nice. Yeah. I asked her to sing the song here and she sing it good. So as I go, she's serenading her mama. You go, girl. I am so cold. I don't know if I can hear the wind outside whispering away. Oh my gosh. Anyways, yeah, you should be able to hear it now. So I decide to say, I'm not even going to stress my head. So this is my dinner for today. I'm deciding to make a cup of tea because I'm so cold I need to warm my body up. And I made a burrito. So my filling is some cheese, 2 fried eggs, and a good portion serving of kalaloo. Yeah, that is literally what I'm having for my dinner. I've been wrapped up for the most part today, sitting on my sofa or doing just the very basic stuff then when I have to get done because my body is so cold. I hope this cold front is not going to be lingering for long. And I know some people are sitting down and thinking, you're in Jamaica. How can you be complaining about cold? You've got to understand. There is no heater to heat you up. So therefore, we're feeling all the cold and we just have to layer up to warm up. So we can't wait for this little season. Shift on by. And every year we have this little window of this moment. But this little cold will just when you when I think say it will get past. And then this cold slide in now from before the morning until now. And it keep going and it's not easy. So we just go and chillax and hopefully it will pass soon. Are you in Jamaica and experiencing it? And if so, is it cold where you are? And if you are not in Jamaica, just have some empathy for us. Trust me. This definitely has got to be my coldest period in Jamaica right now. I'm telling you. I have on some thick warm socks and my foot them still cold. I have on track bottom. I have on thick warm robe and it's still cold. Somebody came by to drop off something earlier this morning and they were literally standing outside and I said come in and they wanted to wait outside. In the end they came in and they came in because they said the tip of their finger, they couldn't feel it anymore, how outside cold. And so they came in and finished sorting out what they were doing and head off. I was just like, in my mind, I'm thinking it is really cold right now, but I was also thinking, this is still Jamaica, and can you imagine the people them were trapped in feet and feet of snow and have to endure this for a significant chunk of the year. So again, I just want to say, and those are people who still have to get up and go out to work. And right now I get to understand that there are people in parts of North America without electricity. And if those people have to rely on electric heaters to heat their environment, that even make it even worse. So I'm just hoping that you guys are able to keep yourself warm and that your weather system will abate soon, and that you will be able to get your utility supplies back as soon as possible. I've spoken to my mom just now, and she was saying that, you know, it's cold there, but them have the heating so them can keep themselves warm indoors, which for us here, really right now, mother do well with one heating, right? That's how I sit down. So me know how we go on both sides of the fence and both sides of the pond. But I'm going to take it easy and take care of yourself. Keep safe. I'm here bawling for coal, and this is how daddy come out in yard today. And where him live is even higher elevation than me, so I'm supposed to be cool. But I know that we both cannot manage the excess heat. So him decides him just a chill like this. You're not cool?
No, I'm not cool.
You're not?
No.
Oh gosh.
You're not cool.
You're just cool. But up Christian are cool though.
Yeah, it's cool, but there's enough people, but me not cool more.
Is that because you're moving around a lot?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a high body temperature.
Yeah. We both cannot manage too hot a temperature. But
cool is nice.
He's liking it. He's liking it. You're liking it.
Yeah.
Whilst me there, me can't cope. So me want it to not be too hot, but it not be too cold either.
Yeah.
All right then, later. So Eliona is home studying for her exam. So because of the form they are in, when them don't have exam, they don't need going. So she home today. Look for madam. Look what she did. You should have seen her earlier this morning too. So madam, Moselle, it's a little bit cold, not true? Yeah. Because Eliona normally in a cardigan anyways, but I think now it's a little bit touching because you have on your jacket and stuff. So, how are you? Okay with it?
I'm fine.
Anyways, we invade our space because I wanted to come and see how she was getting on with our studies. Yeah, and she wrap up. Normally she sit on our workstation and do our work. Now we wrap up on the quilt and everything. But that's how it goes sometimes. We just have to adjust and roll with the punches. So you wanted to talk to me about something?
I was making music.
Oh, yeah, take study break? Okay, should have on our study break. Alright then, me I can listen to it, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, we like to sing, we like to make music, we like to do all of that. That's just the way how we get it down, because we like the creativity and we like to express ourselves as the multi-potentialite that Yah created us to be. So roll the music, my dear. Me go and listen to our music, Jam Fam Tribe. She give me earphone for listen to it, you know. So, did you build the whole of this? Wow.
I chose the chords and then I added hitch-hat, drums, and then I added a bass.
It sounds really good. Wait,
No.
Did you have a song you mix for it to go with?
That's what I'm working on now.
Okay. So you're working on the song that it's going to go over?
Yeah.
It's a nice music. I like it.
I want it to be like R&B 2000s.
Oh, okay. I know you like the music that I listened to growing up as a teenager. And that's fine. We all like with genre. I used to like some of the oldies too, because I thought that, you know, they were just classic. I think every generation have that little bit of things that they dig back into and like. So
Do you like it?
yeah, I think it was lovely. I like the way in which it moves and transitions and how you get the beats. They blend together musically so that people actually want to move their body to it.
Should I show it?
Show what? Or what you have? So that's how much you managed to produce so far? Okay.
I just have it on duplicate. On loop.
Okay, I see. Okay then. Well, that's fine. I'm going to let you to finish. You have your timer set for when your study break ends? Alright then. Laters.
The Jam Fam family. Where I living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me. The Jam Fam family. Jam Fam, come hang with me, yeah.
Thank you so much for staying with us here on this another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. Boy, may I tell you, the cold front are do it tough on the island. So literally, we just had to spend some time explaining what it feels like, and also saying to all of those people in North America, in the UK, and in other parts of the world that are really experiencing heavy snow and downpours right now with really cold temperature, that we have you in our consideration and we're thinking about you. So I want to say bye for now. Do take care, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. And until then, keep warm.